How to control Codex from your phone with ChatGPT. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can control Codex from your phone with ChatGPT. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you simultaneously how you can do that on your PC and phone both. So you got to make sure that you have installed Codex on your PC and make sure that you have downloaded ChatGPT on your phone. And you need to make sure that both your Codex and ChatGPT are signed in with the same account. So first of all, on your phone, you gotta click on the two lines here at the top left corner, and then you gotta click on More. Here, you gotta select Codex. Once you do so, it will say waiting for desktop. Follow the instructions in the desktop app to get connected. So you gotta come to your desktop, click on User here at the bottom left corner, and then you gotta click on Settings. You will be redirected to Settings. Here, you're going to scroll down and under Coding section, you'll be able to see Connections. Simply click on that and then you're going to click on Add. And here, you're going to scroll down, click on Get Started, and then click on Allow. Next, you'll be able to see this that says Authorize this phone. So simply click on this button and then click on Continue. Click on Authorize again. So it's going to take a while in order to connect. If for some reasons you have canceled this screen, then you can simply go and open the QR code scanner and scan this code right in front of you, just like this. And once it's scanned, you'll be able to see that you'll be redirected to ChatGPT and then it's going to authorize you. But it's going to take a while, so you have to be patient. And once it has been connected, you can simply click on Chat and select the project that you are working on. You'll be able to see all of your projects listed in PC right over here. So you can choose your project from here and make sure to choose the same project over here. And whatever prompt you type over here, you'll be able to see the same changes take place here in runtime.